Can a non-tech student really become a data scientist in 2025? The answer is a big yes. In fact, some of the best data analysts and scientists in India today started from commerce, arts, and even humanities. This video is a complete step-by-step roadmap, month by month, designed for non-technical students who want to start a career in data science in 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned till the end, where I'll share a 12-month action plan and answer some common doubts about switching careers to data science. Let's begin. Step 1 is to get comfortable with the basics. Forget coding for now. Just focus on building a foundation. Math stats. Learn probability, averages, distributions, hypothesis testing. You don't need IIT-level math, just the essentials. Logic. Problem solving. Practice breaking problems into steps. Puzzles, case studies, even Excel formulas help here. Excel. Start with simple data cleaning, charts, and pivot tables. Excel builds confidence and is still used everywhere in India. Once your basics are set, move to the 4 essential tools of data science. 1. Excel. Advanced Excel, entry point for analysis. 2. SQL. Backbone of data handling, required in almost every analytics job. 3. Python, the most important language. Start with Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. 4. Power BI or Tableau. Tools to create dashboards and tell stories with data. Pro tip: learn one tool at a time, not all at once. Many students get stuck trying to do everything together. The biggest proof of your skills is not your degree, it's your projects. Here are some beginner-friendly projects. Sales dashboard in Excel SQL project, analyzing customer transactions. Python project, predicting student marks. Tableau dashboard, visualizing COVID or e-commerce data. Upload these on GitHub and Kaggle. Recruiters in India always check for practical work, not just certificates. Now the big question, where should you learn? Here are some best options. Free, Kaggle, YouTube channels, Google Colab notebooks. Paid affordable, Coursera, Google Data Analytics, Udemy Python SQL bundles. Indian EdTech, Analytics Vidya, Great Learning, IIT Madras Online, BSc in Data Science. Remember, certificates are secondary. Skills plus projects matter more. In 2025, India is one of the fastest growing markets for data jobs. Here are the most common beginner roles. Data Analyst, 4.6 LPA Average Business Analyst, 5.7 LPA Data Scientist, 8.12 LPA Starting, higher at MNC's ML Engineer, 10.15 LPA but requires more advanced MLAC coding industries with high hiring demand. ITA Tech, BFSI, Banking, Finance, Insurance, Healthcare, E-commerce, Startups. Here's a month-by-month roadmap you can follow. Months 1-3, Math Basics. Excel plus SQL Fundamentals. Months 4-6, Python for Data Science plus Tableau, Power, BI. Months 7-9, 3-4 projects on GitHub plus Kaggle competitions. Months 10-12, internships, freelancing, LinkedIn networking, interview prep. By the end of 12 months, you'll have enough skills and portfolio to apply for data analyst or junior data scientist jobs. So yes, non-tech students can absolutely build a successful career in data science in India in 2025, if you follow this roadmap step by step. If this video gave you clarity, please like, share, and subscribe to The Data Key. I'll keep bringing you detailed guides, interview prep, and data science trends. Your journey starts today. Are you ready to take the first step?